The WP Toolkit 4-day summer special blowout offer. Lock in your 79% discount today and instantly transform your blogs into 24/7 sales machine. Get 6 best-selling plugins plus unrestricted access to over 200 WordPress training videos for just $97 one-time payment. Only $47. Welcome. Hi, it's Matt Garrett. WordPress is great for building niche sites. But it's a lot like using public transport. Let me explain what I mean. It'll get you there, just not on your schedule. The journey could take quite a while, and be a bumpy, noisy adventure along the way. I can help you shortcut the whole process, skipping all the detours and side streets that can get you lost en route to your goals. And help you get results fast, turning your visitors into commissions. All at a super low, limited time, knockdown discount. Now let me fast-track you. You grab all the tools you need to make your blogs run faster, rank higher, attract more visitors. The first step is to make sure your visitors stick around, reading your content and clicking on your links, so you can instantly convert all your new blog visitors into money in your pocket. And in order to help you do just that, we're going to do something we've never done before, and probably never will again. We're going to give you instant access to 6 of our top-selling WordPress plugins. And we'll do it for a fraction of the normal price. Here's everything you'll get instant access to today. WP Smart Links $47 value. WP Smart Links is the world's first all-in-one link cloaker with powerful smart bridge technology that allows you easily make more sales with retargeting, while completely eliminating the risk of losing any sales or affiliate commissions. Media sites and therefore can't be shared. WP Smart Links not only ensures that your blog links can be shared on social media, it maximizes your profit potential from every single share. Blog Niche Tools $47 value. The world's first all-inclusive, 3-in-1 blogging toolkit that automatically spits out unlimited, hyper-profitable niche blogs in minutes. Niche Blog Tools lets you easily research trending keywords, grab high-converting images, bulk PLR articles, and automatically create new posts to quickly set up unlimited profitable niche blogs. All from inside one simple-to-use WordPress plugin suite, and with zero writing needed. WP Video Magic $37 value. Instantly boost your WP blogs and video marketing with the exact same technology that powers Amazon Prime Video, Hulu and Spotify. WP Video Magic is the first WordPress plugin to make it one-click simple to quickly add Amazon S3 and CloudFront videos to any blog, while putting you in full control and giving you all the power to transform your blog into a high-converting video sales machine. WP Traffic Guard $37 value. Instantly boost your income with these self-optimizing, set-and-forget ads that automatically suck in pure profit sales from lost traffic. WP Traffic Guard is the world's first one-click WordPress plugin that instantly gives you fully monetized, set-and-forget 404 error pages, while showing you exactly why and how your 404 errors happen so you can plug any holes and optimize your revenue in real time. Blog Link Magic $27 value. Link any keyword to any offer, affiliate or your own, on any content. Import and export your keyword link lists to replicate on any blog. Includes ready-made links to get you up and running immediately. Change update old broken links across your whole site. Create your own list of links to on other sites. Choose your own link slug name. Works with any links, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Jvzoo, etc. It doesn't matter how big your site is, or how old the content is, this plugin will go through and create link keywords to high-paying affiliate offers to the lot. WP Ultimate Ads $27 value. The complete blog monetization plugin. Get more leads and higher click-through rates for more profits. Theme ads, in-content ads that blend in for better click rates. Ad bar, grab visitors' attention with this psychological cheat. Pop-up messenger, use social conversion habits for more conversions. Pop under, the killer pop for building your list on steroids. We're 100% committed to helping you experience the success you deserve. We want to make absolutely sure you get the most out of the WP Toolkit Optimization Suite of these 6 plugins, and your WordPress blogs in general. So if you take advantage of this special offer today, we'll even include over 200 high-quality WordPress traffic and marketing training videos at no extra cost, including basic traffic strategies, advanced traffic strategies, how to build a digital commerce site, getting started with SEO, video marketing, YouTube marketing. There's just one catch. As we said, this is a very time-limited special offer. These 6 plugins and all 200 plus videos are still selling individually, every single day, and we plan to keep it that way. You'll never see this bundle ever again, and certainly not at such a low price. In fact, that's why this is an exclusive 4-day summer blowout special. Your 50% discount is only available right here on this page today. If you leave and attempt to come back later, this page will be gone. You have to make a decision right now. We know this puts pressure on you. So to ensure you take advantage of this one-time offer, and make your decision as easy as possible, you can try it out completely risk-free. We don't want your money unless you're completely blown away. So, if for any reason at all, you don't achieve the results we've promised you today, you're protected by our 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. Yup, we're taking on the risk so you don't have to. That's how confident we are that you're going to love this. The decision is yours. ACT now, because, as we said, this special offer is very time-limited. It's only available from this page, today. And you will certainly not see everything included at this low a price, ever again. So take action today and click the button below to claim your 79% discount and get all 6 plugins and 200 plus videos for just $97 today. This offer ends when the timer above hits 0.s. The primary characteristic of high-income earners and successful bloggers is that they have the ability to make quick decisions and act on an opportunity as soon as it presents itself. If that makes sense, you should upgrade today, while this incredible offer is still available. PPS, you must take action now, before it's too late. If you leave this page and attempt to come back later, this $97 one-time offer will be gone forever. Your IP is registered and it is not possible to get access to this page again. I can only guarantee that it is still available right this very second. Don't delay. Get your WP Toolkit today. Link in the description. After buying the product, send me the payment proof on Instagram for amazing bonuses. Instagram link in the description. Thank you for watching.